Hello. Good.
Okay, so is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Okay. I resent the code. Someone telling they can't join the class, but I resent the code. Fine. But not sure it is working for everyone, but one or two students finding difficulty.
Good evening, sir, once again.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Sir, many of the children have not come. Only few students, 3 and only 4 students.
Hmm.
Sir, highlight someone's
Guys, don't try. Yeah.
someone's
So
absence.
you're not
And
small
how-
kids, na? So
Yes, sir. Sir,
okay. So addition of like fractions we did already, and decimal addition shall we do?
Yes.
Decimal addition. Yeah. Okay. You need help or you will do straight away. So you can use column method. You guys understand what is column method? One below the other, you write down. You have to map them one below the other. Point, decimal point, you have to map first. Then as usual, you have to do addition. Yeah. If anyone need help, tell me. I will guide you. I will help you how to do.
okay, sir. Addition.
Is it like 0.11?
Which one?
It's the
First one. And yeah, here listen, guys. You should not say 0.11. How to read that? Tell me.
0.11.
No.
0.11.
Yes. Yes. You
Yes,
should not read 0.11. That is wrong.
sir.
You have to read 0.11. Yeah, continue. After decimal, you should not read just like number. You have to read every digit, every single digit separately.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, done.
Yeah, everyone of you. Yeah, you can just cross check.
Sir, I
Yeah,
have also
meanwhile
done.
others will finish.
Sir, done.
Okay. Yeah, you can check answers.
Yes, sir. All correct.
All correct, sir. All correct,
Perfect.
sir.
Perfect. Very good. So word sums shall we do? Word sums. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you have to understand first. It takes time to understand and convert that. First, do some stories get first. No need to rush to do the sum. Yeah. So everyone understand or need help? Tell me. Anyone of you need help or you can manage? So you're raising hand, Divyan. So you need help or I did
I
not get?
need help.
Okay. Okay. So here, what is the story? Tell me, guys. Story has the stadium has 10,500 seats. So total number of seats is given. So most of you guys need help. Fine. Here conversion of given word sum into equations or numbers is important. So here it is given in the story form. That's why I understand you guys are finding it little hard. Sometimes there may be some redundant means not useful data sometimes. So here what is given? Tell me. Stadium has this many seats. So don't do anything. Just listen while I'm teaching. Okay. Yeah, 10,500 seats and 10 equal sections. So this many seats, 12 sections. So one section, how many seats?
875 seats.
So yeah, you tell me the method. So 10,500 divided by 12. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 10,500 divided by 12. This one we have to do like that. Then what else is given? So 2 premium sections and 10 standard sections. A seat at the premium section cost is given. Then 35 seats in each row. How many rows are there? So these are the number of seats. 10,500 are the number of seats. In each row, number of seats in a section. So we can directly do the number of seats in a section. So once we simplify, whatever value you get it here, divided by 35. So this value divided by 35 gives you the second answer. Guys, are you getting or not? In each section, these are the number of seats. So in number of seats, 35 seats in a row. So like this 35 seats in a row. This is one complete section. So we have to do division by 35. So first one, second one, we did. You have to simplify that. Then in all the seats in the premium section are sold out for a game. How much will be the stadium get from these tickets? So all tickets are sold out. They had given the pricing. So this pricing you have to use. So number of seats and per seat the sections and per seat price they had given. And you have to find that one. So you guys understand how to do?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you should have patience to do. Yeah. Yeah, will you continue? Yeah, continue the sum. So stadium, maybe cricket stadium, something you can think it of. Sorry, it will come. It is a little slow when I zoom and zoom. Yeah, which one you are doing, guys? So I told you how to do all the 3 sums. You finish and we'll check the answers.
Sir.
You could able to do, or still you have difficulty? Tell me. I had explained you how to do. Still you need help, Divyansh?
Yes, sir. I am facing difficulty number third.
Which one? Number 1 or 2 or 3?
Third.
So who did finish all the 3? Tell me. Otherwise, we'll do something different. Huh? So fractions is simplification. Of course, that one we will discuss on some other day. So how to simplify these fractions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The first one. Tell me.
1 by 2.
First one.
1
Tell
by
me.
2.
Yes. Second. Right. Second.
7 by 25.
Very good. Yep. Yeah. Do it on the paper in your notebook. So did everyone finish this, or you need help here?
Sir. Sure.
You can do, or you need help? No, I could not understand. You can do, or you need help? Tell me.
I can. Ma'am, do. Sir, we can do.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, we can do.
Yeah. You have to tell confidently.
Sir, I finished.
Okay. So you are doing very fast, Hitesh. Very good. And you can cross check.
Yes, sir.
We'll wait for 1 minute. Let others also finish. After that, we'll check our answers. And so some more worksheets, similar worksheets, I will share in a Google Classroom.
Sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. What are some we did? Some 3-4 different worksheets we did today, na? Yeah. So all these, each 1 or 2 worksheets I will share. And answers also you will get on the next day. Okay. Today you will get worksheets. Maybe tomorrow you will get answer sheets also. You can cross check answers. Yeah. Could you see now? 1 second. I don't know. Somehow it got closed unexpectedly. Yeah. Could you see now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let us finish fast. Shall we check answers, guys? Yeah. Let us check answers. And yeah, these are the answers. 10 up to 10 only we did. Yeah.
All correct, sir. So,
Perfect. Very good.
all correct.
Who is this? Hitesh or Divyansh? Yeah. Very good, Divyansh. Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. Excellent. Yeah.
I also got all correct.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll end today's session. Okay. So look for homework maybe after 1 hour. And do
Yes,
the
sir.
homework. And sheets also you will get mostly tomorrow morning. You will get answer sheets. Finish your homework today. And tomorrow you can cross check answers. Tomorrow morning. 9 o'clock like that. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
guys. Bye. Very